रेल्वे विकास निगम लिमिटेड कंपनीन कामाक लायिल्ल्या कंत्राटदाराच्या मजुरांनी वेळसावच्या जमीन मालकांनी घाल्ले फेन्सिंग मोडपाचो यत्न केल्ल्यान वेळसाव गांवांतले लोक खवदळ्यात। अतिक्रमणा वरवीं थळाव्या लोकांच्या हक्काचो भंग जाता आनी पुलीस ह्या अतिक्रमणाचेर कसलीच कारवाय कित्याक करिना असो प्रश्न थळाव्यांनी विचारला।
आम्ही कंटिन्युअसली कन्सल्टेशन आशिल्ले रेल्वे कडेन, पूण दे वेज इन्सिस्टिंग टू गेट डॉक्युमेंट इन्क्लुडिंग द PI, इन्क्लुडिंग द रेल्वे ऑफिशियल. So now we have the landowners of this area have demarcated the property and done their marking. But sadly, the administration which is supposed to protect it, administration itself broke it. त्यांच्यानी खूद मोडला आणि ओपन केला आणि एक्सेस दिला रेल्वे. आता हे जे पळय फाटल्यान पळय प्रॉपर्टी आसा, प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी, 1.5 मीटर भितर येवन तेंच्यांनी हें घातलां, एमार्कमेंट बांदलां. पण हे कसलें जातकीर बरें ओनरान एक एक्सेस बंद केलो जाल्यार ते जबरदस्ती पोकलीन घालून दुसरो एक्सेस ओपन करता प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन वचून, मागीर तिसरें ओपन करता. पण हें जालां, हें चलना कितें, कांय कायदो ना, कांय रुल्स ना. आता प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी कॅन रेल्वे एंटर इन टू प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी? ते म्हणटा सेंट्रल प्रोजेक्ट कॅन रेल्वे कॅन एंटर इन प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी? आय स्ट्रॉंगली मेक एलिगेशन that the MLA of this constituency is in connivance with the railway, and that is why he is directing, sitting in the office, the police, the deputy collector, to support the railway and not support the people. Oh, koi ha?
Because I was told that today the railway is coming to show the people their ownership papers, land ownership papers, where the railway work is going on. They have no papers to show, not at all. So I spoke to Mr. Sahu. Now Mr. Sahu says they are showing the plan. What plan are they showing? They are showing the village plan, the village survey plan, with all the survey numbers belonging to different people of the village. Now, does that show the ownership of the railway with respect to the land that they are working? I just want to know, can we enter anybody's property and say it is my land and start working? Is that the law of our country? Can we start work, and that too shouldn't government authorities set the right example? How can they just come in and start working without the permission, without ownership papers? Is there, I don't know, this question comes to my mind again and again. Is there rule of law in this state of Goa? That's my question.